This is going to be a quick demonstration of the Climate Smart Commodities dashboard and website that we've put together for the Hawaii Climate Smart project, and we can adapt it for other projects as well. So the NRDS site, or NERDS, is dashboards and analytics. There's a mapping component, customizable forms, as well as a mobile app that works offline to collect field data. So just to run you through the application really quick, we've got different dashboards that can present high-level information, and these are highly customizable. So things like your top-level producer information, mapped acres that come out directly from the GIS. You can track contract information, all your top-level MMRV information, contract status, practices, and you can filter them by, say, partnership or producer. And we have other dashboards as well, as in, for example, pulling together the metadata, the USDA reporting export, which I'll share in a few moments, and quality control information. There's also a mapping component. So data can be imported from shapefiles or KMLs, or we can also pull in web services, and field data can be collected with the mobile app or drawn on the map. And all this information is relational. So for example, I can click on this producer's tract, or FSA tract. I can see their tract information. I can click on the plot, or the farm ID, and then I can see all of the practices, commodities, as well as additional forms like field enrollment or verification forms or sample sites that happen within that area. As another example, for my MMRV, I have my sample sites that can get randomly generated based on your MMRV, and you can click details, and I can see all the samples that were collected at that location, and I can easily navigate to the sample records. Right, and I can also see other metadata that gets collected. For example, any photos, and this information can be sent to the lab, so they have metadata. I'll show you how the forms work. We have a highly customizable form builder. So for example, our producer information can get managed. Things like contract information, and all this again is highly customizable. You can attach documents, photos. Here's the USDA report, the USDA enrollment information for a producer. Everything is drop downs and matches exactly to the DPR reporting sheet. So I have my producer information, I have my FSA tract information, I have my field information. Again, everything is related with drop downs and connected. So all my practices, I can even have metadata on the practices, like which have supplemental reports, which are FONSI practices. And then I can take those fields and I can fill out the field enrollment form and link them together. And so this, I'll show you in a moment how it can export into the DPR. So I can pick multiple fields. So for subplots. So for example, you have two parts of a field that are separated by a road or a building or something, but they need to be aggregated for the field enrollment. I can do other types of forms like, tracking producer engagement, or my verification forms. And the actual builder is really easy to use. So I can come here and I can take an existing form, I can link it to another form, I can add a new question, different types of questions or fields. And to wrap it all up, I'm going to show you how it really easily can create the USDA report. So I come over here to a dashboard that's called my USDA reports dashboard. I can filter by my producer, and then I can easily just download the results as Excel. And then once I have that, I can copy the data and then paste it into this USDA spreadsheet. Oh. Copy. Paste. And everything respects the format, the drop downs, and it just makes everything easy. So that works, for field enrollment, for all your different fields. So that's just a quick overview of the reporting platform that we've built in NRDS for the Climate Smart project. And, we're continuously developing this thing as project requirements change and adapt. So if you have any questions, please reach out and we can give you some more information. Have a good day. Thank you.